Hey traders, it's Thursday, August 20th, and I just want to give you an overview of my TrueTrader trade that was called out in the chat room and also was up on the scanner. I think I saw it on the scanner prior to being called out, which often happens. But yeah, so I shorted this one again, just like yesterday. A little disappointed in myself because I took profits too early, especially for the amount of risk I was willing to put up. And as you can see, when I shorted here at 3108, about 500 shares, it did kind of spook me out a little bit on its way back up. But typically, if a position starts going in my favor and then maybe it hesitates its way back up, I will have my finger on the trigger to break even, seeing if it makes an upward trend. But I kind of took profits here very quickly I usually cover 75% of my position on my first sell, and I covered the rest, so it's a real quick hotkey. But yeah, so I was done with trading in about 8 minutes, 21 seconds into the session, right about here. In hindsight, I should have, so in the system they teach you that if it peaks, about $2.50, you should look for about 50% retracement. I usually round down and be conservative, so I would say $1 retracement from the peak, which would have been right about here. I think I should have been comfortable getting out about 30.32 for my first target. So 30.32 would have been about 76 cents at 385 shares. Been a lot more than when I realized here. So yeah, overall it worked out great. If you're new to the channel, I have a video card that'll pop up here where I go over my review of TrueTrader. In full disclosure, I'm an affiliate for them, so I'll get paid if you purchase a course. But in that video, you'll see that I offer you tons of bonuses, well worth the price of the course. So yeah, let me know, or go ahead and click on the link in the video description in the comments. Take a look and see if you like it. Thanks.